Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic res commander, how to use Helix command. To use Helix command, you can type Helix, press enter, and in here I will rotate the view. You can press shift button, hold, and then press middle mouse to rotate. Now I will click in it for the first point in the center, and then I will set for radius into 5, press enter again. Now you can set for the angles, I will set into 0. And then for the top radius, we set into 5. Press enter. Now, in it you can set for height, like I will set height into 10, and you can press enter to apply. You also can set pitch in this Helix command. You can tap Helix again, press enter. Center point, I will click in here, and we set radius into 5. Enter again. For angle 0, and then top radius 5, press enter. Now if you want to set or change pitch, you can type P, press enter, and then we set in that pitch, like I will set into 5 for pitch, press enter, and you can see the pitch will be automatically changed into 5. So you can set for the height, I will set 20, and you can press enter. Okay, that's it for basic res commander tutorial, how to use Helix command. And if you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.